Creativity for Kids Pom Pom Pictures in-depth reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 1022 ratings and 49 reviews. 88% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 4% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Great product. My grandkids love the product." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Balls don't fit. I like the idea of this activity a lot, but the balls don't fit in the holes. So for a Keto 2 to 3, it's impossible to push them in well enough to make the art project. Otherwise, it's decent quality. That's it.